Sri Gurupyo Namaha children. We welcome you to our online learning initiative Ekalaiva. Today in this class we are going to learn class 1, chapter 1, matriculation mathematics, numbers up to 20. In this chapter we are going to learn the topic before, after and between numbers. Shall we start children? Yes. In this page, we can see 3 children are standing, right? The first girl name is Maya. Second, Jani is standing. And at last, Aslam is standing. So, Maya is standing before Jan. Aslam is standing after Jan. And Jan is standing between Maya and Aslam. By using this concept, we can see sums. For example, we have to find out before, after and between numbers by using the number step. In this number step, 9 is just before number 10 and number 11 is just after number 10 and number 10 is in between 9 and 11. Shall we move on to the sum children? In this page, we have to find out the before numbers by using the number step. In this first sum, 7 is there. What number will come before 7? Yes, 6 is there, right? So we have to write 6. So the number 7 is just before 6. In the second sum, 13 is there. What number will come before 13? Number 12. So here we have to write 12. So 13 is just before 12. In this third sum, 1 is there. What number will come before 1? Before 1, 0 have to come. So we have to write 0 here. So 1 is just before 0. What number will come before 20? Yes, 19. So 20 is just before 19. And in fifth sum, 11 is there. What number will come before 11? 10 is there. So we have to write 10. 11 is just before 10. In sixth sum, 17 is there. What number will come before 17? Yes, 16. So we have to write 16 here. 17 is just before 16. In this page, we have to find out the after number by using the number strip. In this first sum, 15 is there. What number will come after 15? Yes, 16. So we have to write 16 in this box. So 16 is just after 15. In the second sum, 17 is there. What number will come after 17? 18. Okay, 18 we have to write in this box. In this third sum, 11 is there. What number will come after 11? Yes, 12. We should write 12 in this box. In fourth sum, 14 is there. What number will come after 14? 15. Yes. In this fifth sum, 0 is there. What number will come after 0? Yes, 1. 1 we have to write in this box. And what number will come after 19? After 19, 20 will come. So we have to write 20 in this box. 20 is just after 19. In this page, we have to find out the between numbers by using the number strip. In this first sum, 6 and 8 is there. What number will come in between 6 and 8? In between 6 and 8, 7 will come. So we have to write 7. 7 is in between 6 and 8. Next sum, 10 and 12 is there. Between 10 and 12, what number is there? 11. So we have to write 11 in this box. Between 1 and 3, what number will come? 2. What number will come between 18 and 20? Yes, 19. 19 we have to write in this box. In fifth sum, what number will come in between 9 and 11? In between 9 and 11, 10. Number 10 is there. So we have to write number 10 in this box. And in sixth sum, 14 and 16 is there. What number will come between 14 and 16? Yes, 15. So we have to write 15. The number 15 is in between 14 and 16. I hope you understood the concept, children. Thank you.